In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade objects in Cinema 4D using the display tag. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to animate a fade so an object smoothly appears on screen. This method uses the display tag, which gives you a simple visibility control that behaves like opacity at render time. It's great for reveals, transitions, and disappear effects without diving into complex material setups. Start by selecting the object you want to fade. With it highlighted, go to the Tags menu, choose Cinema 4D Tags, and add a display tag. You'll see the tag appear next to your object in the Object Manager. Make sure the tag itself is selected so its options show up in the Attributes Manager. In the Attributes Manager, look for the Visibility parameter. This is the key to the effect. Visibility is measured in percent, where 0% is completely transparent and 100% is fully opaque. Unlike simply hiding an object in the viewport, this parameter is designed to control how the object appears when you render, which makes it dependable for animation. Now let's keyframe the fade in. Move the playhead to the frame where you want the fade to start. Set visibility to 0% so the object begins fully transparent. To record that value, click the small circle next to the visibility parameter. It will change color to show a keyframe has been set. Next, move the playhead forward to the frame where you want the object to be fully visible. Change visibility to 100% and click the circle again to set a second keyframe. Between those two frames, Cinema 4D will interpolate the values, creating a smooth transition from transparent to opaque. If you ever want to fade out instead, simply reverse the values. Start at 100% and keyframe down to 0%. To see the true result, render a frame or a short preview. The display tag's visibility primarily affects the rendered output, so you may not see the fade accurately in the live viewport. Don't worry if it looks unchanged there. The render will show the fade exactly as you keyed it. One quick note. Rendering semi-transparent objects is more computationally intensive than rendering fully opaque ones. If you're working on a longer sequence or multiple overlapping fades, expect slightly higher render times. This approach is particularly useful for making objects appear or disappear elegantly, or for transitioning between different states of a model without altering materials. That's it. With just a display tag and two keyframes, you've got a clean, controllable fade in Cinema 4D.